Hey guys, I'm back again with an interesting problem. Once again, thank you for joining me for yesterday's live session. You might be thinking, what is this? I will tell you about this at the end of this video. Let us see today's problem. So here we have a right angle triangle ABC, and inside this right angle triangle we have another right angle triangle which is BDC, as you can see in this figure. And we have length of AB as 8 and length of BC as 6. And here the question is, what is the length of BD, right? We have to find out what is the length of BD. So it is a problem from elementary geometry. Think for a while. The solution of this problem is very interesting. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and share it with all your friends, and don't forget to like the video. So are you ready to see the solution? So here, if you observe this triangle carefully, then if you rotate this triangle in such a way that we get AC as the base of this triangle, because here we have the base as BC. So you just rotate this triangle like this. So here we have AC, and then this is our B and this is D, and this is a right angle triangle, right? Now observe that these two triangles are the same because we are just rotating this triangle, right? So the triangle is not going to change, and similarly the area will remain the same. This is something called as affine transformation in higher mathematics. Now let me show this by using this figure. So here we have this rectangle. Now if I rotate this, then also the area is same, right? And if I throw this like this, then again we get the same area, right? Now if I place this somewhere else, then again I get the same area, right? So we will use this fact here. So just look at this triangle. Now area of this triangle ABC, is equal to, what is the formula for area? It is half times base into height, right? So half times, what is the base? Base is AC, right? And what is the height? It is BD. Now we can find this area of triangle ABC and the length of this AC by using the given figure. So let me do some calculations over here. So here we have triangle ABC with base as 6 and height as 8, right? So what is the area of this triangle? It is just equal to half times base into height. So half times base into height, right? So simplify this. This is just 24. Now find out what is AC. So for AC, this is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, right? So by using Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is same as this AB square plus BC square, which is same as 8 square plus 6 square, which is 64 plus 36, that is 100. Now take the square root. We have AC is equal to 10, right? Now just put this value over here. We get this as 24 is equal to half times AC is 10 times this BD, right? So simplify this. We get BD is equal to 24 by 5. Easy? Don't forget about this. Now let's come to this. This is a 3D cube. Also I have something with me. So as you can see, this is a tortoise. Also I have a duck with me. So can you say this? So we have tortoise and duck with us. I have shark also. So this is the shark. So these are not any arbitrary shapes. there is a special branch in mathematics called as origami. So roughly speaking, it is just a paper folding. This is not any arbitrary paper folding because there are some algorithms, that is, there are some rules while this paper folding. If you want to learn more about this, then let me know in the comment section, because sometimes what happens, only studying mathematics, it can be a really boring thing. So we must have some hobbies like this so that we can spend our time with great joy. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. See you soon.